everybody, welcome back to my Classic Arcade Repair channel. My name is Sean, and what I'm doing here today is I've repaired a Super Punch-Out. Now this was sent to me as Punch-Out, but it turned out I unboxed it and it's a Super Punch-Out, which is great because I'm able to test my Super Punch-Out security card that I redesigned from the original design. I think it's a lot better. It's half the size. There's no wire soldered onto the CPU, so you can actually remove the CPU if you want. I just got done with the repair on this. What was wrong with this was this ROM was corrupted and this ROM was corrupted. They just went with a little bit rot. I was able to erase them and reprogram them. That's why they got the original stickers on them. So this one and that one. On the video board, I removed the four 161s that are involved in the horizontal positioning. I removed those because they get really hot and it's good practice to just replace those because I've seen them flame out and destroy video boards. So I replaced those. I replaced the sockets as well, and that made that nice and good. This thing is perfect. There's no graphical issues at all. But what's good about this, and why I really wanted to start filming this, is because this is a Super Punch-Out, I can test my card, as I said, and I now have the top screen proper. So you can see the top screen and everything. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to exercise my card there a little bit, and yeah, but this one also had a bad, unfortunately the RP2A03 was bad, this guy right here, so I had to replace that. It had no music, and some of the voice would cut out, like when he's counting you out, you'd go 1, 2, and then nothing. It was a corrupted, speech ROM was corrupted. So yeah, nice board set. Otherwise though, it's really clean and everything. So I'll go ahead and set the camera up. We'll switch between monitors so you can see that, and we'll play some Super Punch-Out. Alright, really quick, I'm just going to switch between the two monitors. I'm going to switch it over to the top monitor. There we go. And you'll see the two posters are the way they're supposed to be. After we see the posters of the fighters, then we'll switch back to the lower monitor, and then we'll play. And then I'm going to switch over to my redesigned security card and play with that and check everything out. Make sure it all plays the way it should. Yeah, see, there's the background posters, looking the way they're supposed to. Now we'll switch back to the bottom monitor. And there you go, no pins bent. And let's go ahead and fire up a game. Make sure it plays the way it's supposed to.
Ladies and gentlemen, Canadian bear huggers.
Here comes the, you gotta duck. Ah, I couldn't. Yeah, I couldn't get to the control. Should be over. Yeah. Dragon Chan!
Ladies and gentlemen, Dragon Chan!
Huh. Darn it. I can't hardly. I have to. Yeah. I don't need to explain it. I always push the wrong button. Not this time. Eat canvas, Dragon Chan. Vodka drunken ski. Yeah, boy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, stand up and fight.
All right, now I'm going to switch off and put my security card on. So we'll go ahead and play with that on. And just make sure that it works the way it should. Go turn the lights off. All one shot, so no trickery here. Okay, and let's get it.
Ladies and gentlemen, Canadian Bear Hugger.
Bring it, Hugger. There you go. See you later, bear hugger.
gentlemen, Dragon Can.
Nice. Eat canvas, Chan. Oh, he got me. Jerk. Get up. Dang it! I did too soon. Come on, get up, get up. Get up! I gotta fight him one more time. Rematch. Bring it, Chan.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dragon Can.
Eat canvas, Chan. Yes. There we go. Now, Vodka Drunkinski will probably kick my butt.
Vodka Drunkinski. Body blow, 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 body blow. Body blow, body blow, body blow, body blow, body blow. 1, 2, 3.
You stay down, Drunkinski. You stay down. Dang it. Huh. Go turn the lights on. All right, and we'll go ahead and look at the top screen. And just let it scroll to the posters, and then that'll finish this little video. Little super punch out video. Vodka Drunkenski. Great tigers in this. Yeah, see, there's the old posters. So it is works good as it should. Yeah, the real problem on these little boards is this little guy right there. That little 8-pin chip is not easy to come by. But I might offer 5 of these up to sale. Unfortunately, just because of this chip right here, I gotta get about $100 just for this board. It's ridiculous. If it wasn't for that chip, it'd be pretty cheap. I mean, relative. It'll come with a Z80. It'll come as is. Plug and play. Plug it in and go. So that is it. You can find this, I'll probably list on eBay, or if you're interested, leave a comment down below and email me. My email is in the description if you're interested. I'm probably going to only offer up about 5 of these things to begin with. I'm not doing a kit with the EEPROMs because that will be just too expensive. Yeah, that's going to be up to the customer to get his EEPROMs situated. So, but I can provide a security board. Super Punch Out. All right. Thanks everybody for watching, and if you're interested, email me. Email is in the video description. Bye for now.